the tagline of Clean Environment, Bright Future, is the biotechnology company in the 21st century specialized in the fields of the environment and livestock fodders. Since the inception in 1996, ENTECH Inc. has been a professional company in the fields of the environment and microorganism, focusing on removing food waste and composting organic wastes, and manufacturing preventatives for stench and flies with the use of new types of fungi replacing cephalexin and producing livestock fodders for growth promotion. As a result, we have received the Minister Award of the Commerce, Industry and Energy 2 times, and the Presidential Award once, and many other gold awards. Not only that, but we have 20 types of microbes-related patents, including the certification as the Venture Company and InnoBiz Company, along with nearly 30 types of related patents, making us the best company in the fields of the environment and microbes in Korea. Of late, our technological capacity has been acknowledged outside Korea, for example, by receiving the U.S. Industrial Package Award. Grounded on these achievements, we are currently building our third plant and make continuous efforts to be the first-rate company, opening the door to the future by creating a clean environment through the best effects and quality. The type of SJP microbes we have developed the yeast under the Saccharomyces microbes, which boasts the high velocity in alcohol fermentation compared to that of the yeast under the existing Saccharomyces microbes. If making liquor out of the conventional yeast, rice should first be increased and fermented for 70 hours to smell like liquor. However, for this new type of fungi, it takes only about 90 minutes. We use this new type of fungi and develop Nuclear and +7 to be on the market. When you use Nuclear at food waste treatment facilities, livestock manure compost facilities, and organic waste treatment facilities, it removes the stench of high concentration upon being sprayed. After 24 hours pass, in particular, the manure turns black and fly larva is removed, leaving no stench and gases. According to the stench test done by the Gyeongsangbu Hygiene Test Institute, the level of 12 major microbial stench comes at 0.00 pp, which made us receive the Commendation Award by the mayor of Siheung City. Not only that, but the food waste drying and composting plant in Gwangju City was almost unable to be operated due to mounting civil petitions before it uses Nuclear. However, it has recently been selected as the successful case of no stench by the Environmental Management Corporation. The most serious problem in the dairy industry, including pig breeding, poultry farming, and cattle, is that it emits stench and creates flies, causing damages and discomforts to neighbors and other livestock to die with their immunity system weakening or with being suffocated with gas. In order to resolve these problems, SKAG has developed incessantly the microbial materials to improve the environment, but the stench and fly problems were far from being resolved. Spraying SJP on the pig breeding and poultry farming with stench of high concentration removes 90% of such stench in the air, and emission of stench comes to a complete halt after 24 hours pass. If Nuclear of 20 liters is sprayed on the 330 square meter wide farms of pig breeding and poultry farming, the effect of stench prevention lasts over 30 days, significantly improving the environment of livestock breeding and other related livestock works, and causing no more harm to neighbors. According to the experimental study by the Department of Earth and Environmental Sciences, Sejong University, the growth of SJP quickens by injecting the new type of fungi into organic wastes like food wastes, and it dramatically decreases the amount of existing oxygen within the organic waste. This, in turn, restricts growth of other microbes, hatching of flies' eggs, and growth of maggots, reducing the creation of flies. As a result, when the liquid SJP microbes are sprayed on the organic wastes, it has two effects of removing stench and stifling the creation of flies. When 1 kilogram of our proprietary +7, the SJP microbial materials powdery product, is mixed with 1 ton of fodders, the remarkable effects are as follows. First, No stench emanates from the livestock manure, almost to the level a human's natural nose cannot detect. Second, 5% of livestock fodder will be saved. As seen in the picture, the digestive absorption rate of fodders is clear when compared before and after combining +7. After combining with +7, the rate of digested absorption increases, saving the consumption of fodder. Third, most of the fodders are mixed with the antibiotics for growth promotion and supplied to the livestock industrial site, creating stronger resistance against antibiotics. According to the analytical results on the effects of growth promotion against the ratio of antibiotics tested by the National Institute of Animal Science under the Rural Development Administration and Cheonam College, it shows superior effects in terms of growth promotion compared with antibiotics. Furthermore, +7 has proven its #1 spot in terms of growth promotion as a result of comparison test with the 4 types of antibiotics alternatives materials, which are generally known as the world's best. Fourth, livestock, bred in a pleasant environment free from stench, generally grows well with great digestive functions. Therefore, their flesh becomes flexible through growth promotion on the back of enough supply of nutrients. In particular, the innate smell from the livestock decreases and the amount of fat in the flesh reduces, generating excellent tastes. Fifth, the time taken for shipment reduces. Sixth, porcine epidemic diarrhea is significantly controlled. The biggest cause of growth disability and perish of pigs and chickens is PED, and +7 has proven its excellent antibiotic power against viruses that cause PED on the site of livestock breeding. Seventh, it is easy to treat the livestock manure. Spray nuclear onto the livestock sheds and supply with +7 to use the liquefied fertilizer made from pig manure. Economic efficiency of livestock farms with the use of SJP microbial materials. First, according to the National Institute of Animal Science, the amount of antibiotics consumed 1.61 kilograms per chicken. However, the weight of chickens supplied with +7 comes at 1.55 kilograms, accounting for 4% decrease. Second, statistically speaking, 45% of pigs, or the thirds of chickens, die mostly in the wintertime through suffocation from gases or a weakened immunity system. In short, they die out just because of minor symptoms like respiratory illnesses. This kind of problems can easily be resolved by spraying nuclear and supplying +7. In addition, the economic benefits obtained through cost reduction in purchasing antibiotics, an increase in value added on the back of a release of the environment-friendly products free of antibiotics, and cost reduction in treating livestock manure are almost incomparable with other existing microbial materials for stench prevention. According to the analytical results on the compost fermented with SJP microbes by the Plant Nutrition Division, National Institute of Agricultural Science and Technology, the Rural Development Administration, our product has displayed substantial results in curbing plant germs such as anthracnose and plagues. In actuality, there was no single farm that failed to harvest due to anthracnose or plagues for the last 2 years, when they applied the compost made about 30 tons on a daily basis. Its effect has been proven by our own test, which reaffirms that even the farms which have failed to harvest due to anthracnose and plagues were far from being damaged. Not only that, but the growth of farm produce is superior by the thirds compared with a conventional compost, and the amount of yields also grows by the thirds. As mentioned thus far, ENTECH Inc. is the professional company that developed and secured the environment-friendly treatment of organic wastes and the new type of fungi efficiently in use in the livestock industry. We assure you that, grounded on our creative corporate spirit, we will continue to be the finest biotechnology company in the world, not just a buyer or whatnot, through constant or even incessant technology development activities, and to focus on creating another, the second or the third type of new fungi in the future.